Can you read this screen? No, I can't either. If I can't read this easily, how can I be expected to do a good radio program? In this video, we're going to turn this into this. In this video, we are going to learn how to change the playlist font size, the size of the countdown clock, the color of the played tracks, the now playing font size, and the main playlist window font size. If you are an announcer live on air with RadioBoss, then you need to be able to read the screen clearly. Don't use the default text size. Let's make it bigger. Come with me. Click on the yellow settings icon. In older versions of RadioBoss, click View. In newer versions of RadioBoss, click View and Style. Click on Playlist Font. I think 16 is good. Leave it normal, not bold. Playlist item spacing will help us to see things easier. You will find this under View. I think about maybe 12, but you can adjust this as you choose. Okay. Well, I think that's easier to read, especially for us older people who need glasses. Sometimes, when there's a lot happening in our program, it's easy to forget what's playing now. If you have a more recent version of RadioBoss, let me show you a setting that will help. Settings icon, View, Style, and Playing Track. I set this on bold and perhaps 20 font. Okay. And as you can see, the track playing now is much clearer to see. This is a handy feature for your playlist screen. You can change the color of tracks that have been played. You can find this in more recent versions of RadioBoss. Settings icon, View, Style, Played Tracks. I like to leave this at the same size as the playlist font, but I change the color to silver. Okay, and here is what it looks like, with the played tracks lighter in color. The countdown clock is absolutely essential. You need to know how long before the end of the song. I suggest you increase the size of this. In earlier versions, settings icon and View, and in later versions, settings icon, View, and Style. Click on Countdown Clock Font, and you can probably choose any size up to 24. Maybe you have a later version of RadioBoss, like this one, which is version 561. Then, you will be able to increase the size of the main window font, which will affect the tabs, the track bars, the Control L panel on the left, and the Control I panel on the bottom. I hope that this has been useful. Don't forget you can see more videos at onlineradiotraining.com or email us info@ onlineradiotraining.com. God bless you and happy broadcasting.